Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings and following the guidance and getting the right direction. So let's go to the readings. Today it's pick a card. It's been long time since I brought pick a card. Set of card 1 and set of card 2. So close your eyes. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to connect with the divine and to decide which is the card for you. Set 1 and set 2. Alright, so now let's go to set 1. The Chariot, 9 of coins. Now that's a beautiful combination, the Chariot and the 9 of coins for today. Let's see what they're saying. First thing I would like to say here is that because these are chakra cards, it's more of red, which is coming in both the cards. So maybe you need to work on your root chakra very strongly. So today wear the color red. I feel red is more overpowering here, so I'm asking you all to wear the color red. Okay, now usually when the 9 of coin comes, it is basically that time for financial decisions, but these financial decisions will be good, so you don't have to worry that you're making the wrong choice, because usually when this card comes as finances, it only says that the finances will be good. Now coming to the chariot card, maybe you will feel today throughout the day you will feel as if things are back to its root. You will feel grounded, you will feel energetic, you will allow things to go the way it wants to go, and you will feel happy that after a long time you were able to handle issues the way you've always wanted, and after a long time some of you will get some financial gains, because this card usually comes even when financial gains are coming, when things are moving forward basically. So you will feel things are moving forward and you'll be very happy. So today, as I said, wear the color red, and if possible have some apple, and also if you can meditate on the root chakra mantra. You can always Google and you'll get the mantra chanting for the root chakra, and you can even chant that 108 times, and you will feel your finances are becoming good and things are moving really fast. Now let's come to the set 2 cards. Temperance, 8 of coins. See what a I don't understand how come cards talk like this, because here if you see it's the 9 and here it is the 8. It's as if things are just falling in place. Now here somewhere I feel it is overpowered by pink, so those who have selected card 2, go by pink color today, and be open to receive. Have patience. Somewhere I feel the temperance card has come because you are losing your patience, or you're giving up your patience, but you don't need to do it. Whatever finances, because again if you see, even this card is related to finances. Whatever finances you are working at will fall in place. You will get the way you want it also. Maybe you are giving up because you feel there are delays, but these delays are in the past. Now things will have a different outcome. It will happen the way you want. So I suggest, along with patience, hang on there. Today things will be good and things will be the way you want, and you will be happy that you are able to see a beautiful difference. You can also chant on the heart chakra mantra from YouTube, and you will feel a good difference, because when your heart is open you will attract more abundance, and you will attract more financial blessings also from the universe. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.